Yo, JJX. Hope you guys are doing good. Hope you guys are doing well. So, welcome to another unboxing video. Today, I got two new packages. All right, we're gonna see what's in there, what's in here, and so on and so forth. All right. I already accidentally ripped it. I'm a little picky. All right, so let's take a look at it. Oh yeah, my little gold chain. All right, let's. Dang, I did not know that this was gonna be that big. Like really and truly. Oh, yo, what's up? Yes, right. Thank you so much. Um, Herma, Herma. I don't know how to pronounce that. I think I'm pronouncing it right. All right, I just got this off of eBay. Pretty good. Feels good. A little heavy. I like that. Uh, I made sure I checked. Did a background check and all that to make sure that this was real and it's stainless. So it's all good. Feels heavy. Feels good. Let's check out this next one. Ooh. All right. I don't have my knife. All right. Oh yeah, it's Captain Rex. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. Man, you are small. Like, all right, hold up. Look at that. This this is, ladies and gentlemen, Captain Rex from Star Wars: The Clone Wars. He is a clone. He is very close to Ahsoka Tano and Anakin in the Clone Wars series, along with Obi-Wan Kenobi. Alright. Ooh, and his helmet comes off. That's awesome. Oh no. Look at that. Now, at first, when I was first seeing the Clone Wars, I did not know that Rex was a blondie. That was really surprising to me. And then, like, once I started looking at it a little bit closer and all that, I'm like, oh my gosh, he's a blondie. Yeah, this is really small. I was hoping it was going to be bigger, but this is an old. This is an old. Uh, oh, that's so cool. If you look closely, he has his little pistols. Wow. I put it back in. So that's cool. That's awesome. That's really awesome. Now, if you compare it to a Halo McFarlane Spartan, I like to think of this as me. So if you look at me, if you look at this Spartan, he is bigger and taller, which is completely fine because it's it's a different toy company. But along with that, I am very impressed by the details, by the details that they had put on Captain Rex is very, he's very flexible, you know. He can move, boom, he can move his legs, so that's good. It's not just like he's standing there all stiffed up. I like him without his helmet, to be honest. Oh, that's cool. So, like, if you turn his head turns with it. Usually they don't do that. Usually the head is just still there in the same spot. So that's really cool. I usually don't ever see Rex holding this type of gun. This is my first time seeing him holding this type of gun. He's usually holding his pistol. That's what he works with. So I'm gonna give him a little special spot along with my other action figures that I have. Captain Rex. Look at that. That's a minor brute from Halo Reach. That's a Spartan from Halo Reach. That's Captain Rex. Oh, how cute. So that's about it for today. Thank you guys. Please like and subscribe. Hit that notification bar. Alright. Thank you guys for tuning in. And we'll see you next time.